Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the binary puzzle. Yes, it's binary time. In the additional of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's still Friday, December the 13th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. So 2 puzzles remain. The jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested. It's the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 9746. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has, I believe, 16 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's get started. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Then doubles, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Doubles, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1 double ones, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes in O, double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes in 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Then, let me see. Well, I think we need to compare. Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. And between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double ones here, no, there, no. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double check 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct in 3 minutes. Exactly. We solved it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. You think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other last puzzle, the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.